this is
Asunt skeftiä pukin pienellä.
amazing. Also today, the 14th of March 2025, and we have Eskolantie 5, Eskolavägen. It's also in Pukinmäki. Volkswagen Helsinki has 4 schools in Finland. This one was built in 1981, finished in 1982, 1988 fixtures, which is 40209. And this is the second speed. And let's try the rest here. We got only stickers I left to film. The code was impossible, but it was in the evening, so that's why I couldn't get it then.
Yeah.
I need a stake. You see, there is a strange, rare prank with the R button. I've never seen it in a standard one.
Yeah.
It has to be a joke because there is nothing that resembles R in the vicinity.
Yeah. Feedbacki vai pitänyt meitä etsiä Kone.
Sit back to watch it. Go through the staircase today, and you can watch the staircase as we see through that as well. This one is the occupied text.
Yeah. That's
Dagen.